The Australian Made campaign is doing its bit to help one of its licensees to find a local contract manufacturer. The licensee is Frank Green, a company that markets reusable coffee cups in Australia. And while the company currently produces all its plastic reusable cup products in Australia, it can't find a local manufacturer capable of handling its stainless steel reusable cups. Frank Green CEO Ben Young says he wants an Australian company to manufacture the company's best-selling stainless steel product range here in Australia. He believes manufacturing in Australia not only produces superior quality products, but also allows the company to be more competitive, adaptive and responsive to the marketplace. These sentiments are backed up by Australian Made campaign Chief Executive Ben Lazzaro, who says it is encouraging to see Australian Made licensee wanting to commit to manufacturing in Australia for the long term. Lazzaro went on to highlight research showing that discerning consumers seek out high-quality Australian products in the marketplace. I'm Courtney Love. Thanks for watching Industry Update News. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and visit the Industry Update website for the full story.